Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome to the Complete Power BI course. I'm Larry once again, and I'm thrilled to have you join me in this exciting journey into the world of Power BI. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is Power BI and why should I even learn it? Well, in this video, we'll explore those questions and we'll dive deep into what makes Power BI such a powerful tool for data analysis and visualization, especially for beginners like you. Now, what is Power BI? Power BI is an analytics tool developed by Microsoft, and it enables you connect to multiple data sources and transform and model that data and then create interactive reports and dashboards. In simple terms, Power BI helps you turn raw data into meaningful insights through stunning visualizations. Now, imagine you had like a heap of data, sales numbers, customer information, website analytics, etc. And it's in separate files and different formats. What Power BI does is that it brings all that data together and makes it easy to understand at a glance. Now, you may be asking, right, and a lot of people will ask this, that how is Power BI different from Microsoft Excel? Now, Excel is a fantastic tool, yeah, and it's very fantastic for data analysis. Many of us have used it to create tables, charts, perform calculations. However, as your data grows in size and complexity, Excel can become a bit cumbersome, right? And this is where Power BI shines, right? First of all, in data volume, Power BI handles large data sets efficiently, much more than Excel can comfortably manage. That's one. Another is interactive visualization. Power BI offers a wide range of interactive visuals that are easy to create and customize. Next will be real-time data. Power BI can connect to real-time data sources that allow you to see up to the minute information. And lastly is collaboration, right? So sharing reports and dashboards with others is very seamless in Power BI, and this enhances team collaboration. So in essence, Excel is actually great, but for individual data tasks, right? Power BI is built for scalable, collaborative, and in-depth analysis, right? For example, you see an Excel sheet here, and Power BI takes it and makes it become that, right? So the next question people usually ask is, who uses Power BI? Who even uses Power BI? And Power BI is used by a diverse group of professionals across various industries. So disregard my list here. Used by a much more diverse group of professionals across various industries, right? So just for example, you see business analysts can use them to analyze data trend and generate insights. Data scientists can use them, right, for advanced data modeling and predictive analysis. Managers, executives can use them to monitor KPI through dashboards. Sales and marketing team can use them to track performance, customer engagement, that sort of thing. IT professionals can use them for reporting on system metrics and performance, etc. Right. So what I'm saying is, whether you're in finance, marketing, operation, IT, Power BI basically equips you with that tool to make data driven decisions. Now, another thing I would like us to understand is the Power BI products. There are several Power BI products. We have the Power BI desktop, we have the Power BI service, we have Power BI mobile apps, and we have Power BI gateway. Now, what are these things? What are these things? Let's start with Power BI desktop. Now, Power BI desktop is that free application that you usually install on your local computer, and that's what we'll be installing in the coming videos. And it's the starting point for creating reports. So in Power BI desktop, you um, install on your mobile computer. You can connect to data sources, import data from Excel databases, web pages, and more. You can transform your data in Power BI desktop, clean and prepare your data using the built-in Power Query editor, and you can create reports. right? So you can design interactive reports with a variety of visualizations. Now, that's basically pretty much what you can do in Power BI Desktop. Now let's go to Power BI Service. And this is also known as Power BI Online. And basically, this is a cloud-based platform where you can publish your report. So basically, all the reports you created on your desktop application, you can publish it to the cloud, right? And that's Power BI Service. You can create dashboards on the Power BI Service, and that's just a combination of different visuals from your report into a single dashboard. So think of it like your car, all the important visuals in one place, and that forms a dashboard. Lastly, you can also share and collaborate, right? So Power BI Service, as opposed to Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service allows you share and collaborate content with your colleagues. You could also set up data refresh schedules, right, on Power BI Service. Now let's talk about the mobile apps, right? And this is available for iOS, Android, and Windows devices, by the way. And the mobile apps allow you to access your visuals on the go. So on your phone or mobile devices, you can view your dashboards and reports anywhere, anytime. Also, there's also the interactive features on the mobile apps that allow you to interact with your data through touch optimized controls just from your phone or mobile devices. You also receive alerts on Power BI mobile apps. So if there's an important change to your data, you get alerts on your Power BI mobile apps. Lastly, um, will be the Power BI gateway. Now, this is a bridge that's between that connects your on-premises data sources to the cloud-based Power BI. So usually Power BI service is cloud-based, but you may have some of your data on premises in servers, physical servers, and you would want to connect that data to the cloud-based Power BI service. And Power BI Gateway is that bridge that helps you connect your on-premises data to Power BI service. And basically, it also includes data refresh that keeps your online reports updated with the latest data from your local servers. There's also secure data transfer, so it ensures that your data is transmitted securely from your local servers to the cloud-based Power BI service. So let's quickly talk about we've spoken about desktop service and mobile apps. Let's talk about Power BI licensing, right? And Power BI has three tiers of licensing. Um, First, we have the free version, right? And that's basically it allows you to create reports on your Power BI desktop, and really you can share those reports with others. So it's the free version. So um, comes for free, like I said. It allows you to create interactive reports, and that's all. For Power BI Pro, right, you get all access to the free features. There's a monthly subscription, and you can share and collaborate on reports with colleagues, right? And you can even publish your own for bigger impact. So that's the Power BI Pro. There's a Power BI Premium, and this is usually for large scale organizations, right? And they allow you to create you have access to all pro features. There's enhanced performance actually, and then you have a larger data capacity. You can create paginated reports. You even have some AI capabilities, right? And that's the those are the three major Power BI licenses. Um, so that's all our introduction into Power BI and the architecture and the licenses. Now let's talk about something that usually comes up, and it has come up while I was speaking. I mentioned reports and I mentioned dashboards. Now what's the difference? A report basically is a multi-page canvas that contains visuals like chart, and this is Power BI based definition, right? It's a multi-page canvas that contains visuals like charts, graphs, and tables, just like something we have here, right? And a dashboard in Power BI is a single page consolidated view of important metrics. So in a Power BI dashboard, which is on Power BI service, and we'll be talking about it later in the course, is where you pick out important metrics that you want to look at. Right? Maybe you want to look at active customers, you pick that out, and you want to look at the customer growth overview, and you pick that out and put it in a single page. Now that's a dashboard that's focused on just important metrics. That's the difference between a Power BI report and a Power BI dashboard. Now this definitions may differ outside Power BI. This is the this is uh, the Power BI definition, and the key difference is that it's just basically scope, right? Reports are detailed and can have multiple pages. Dashboards are more concise and more single pages. Now, how can we use Power BI to transform business? Let's look at the user story, right? Um, let's take a person who wants to analyze website traffic, campaign performances, and customer engagement data, right? And let's assume that data is stored in different platforms like Google Analytics, Excel files, and an SQL database. Now, what a person would have to do would be, first of all, do data integration. And basically, Power BI allows us to do that, get data from different sources. And then the next step will be data transformation. And we'll be talking a lot about this. We'll be going through all these steps in the course. Next step will be data transformation, where we clean and model our data to ensure consistency. And then there's the report creation, where we start creating interactive reports to show trends, conversion rates, etc. Then we publish, and this is where we are sharing our report to the Power BI service, right? And then we can create dashboards where we pin key visuals for quick monitoring, and then maybe collaboration. And with this, the outcome will most likely be improved decision making, because we can see all our data in one place and we can actually make decisions faster. Now, I'm going to end with this. Why you should learn Power BI? All this talk, why should you learn Power BI? One, Power BI is in high demand, right? Data analysis and data analytics skills are in high demand across various industries. Two, for career advancement. So, if you're proficient in Power BI, this can open doors to new job opportunities. And data-driven decision, right? So basically, you're empowering yourself and your organization to make informed decision quickly. And then Power BI is user-friendly, right? So it's very beginner-friendly. So these are just four reasons why I feel you should learn Power BI. Now, in the next couple videos, we're going to be installing Power BI on our machine, and we're going to take it from there. So I look forward to embarking on this learning journey with you. Would unlock the full potentials of your data and transform the way you make decisions. So thank you again for choosing this course. Let's dive in.